In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Wise. First, sign in to the online banking section of Bank of America. While you might also be able to do this through the mobile app, I'll be showing you how to do it on the website. Once logged in, you'll see an option at the top of the screen for Transfer. Click this option, and from the drop-down menu, select To or From Other Banks, including Wire Transfers. This will redirect you to a page where you can choose which Bank of America account you'll transfer money from and to which account. To add your Wise account, select Add Account or Recipient on the right side. This will take you to another page where you can input the details for the Wise account, including whether it's a domestic or international transfer. For international transfers, you'll need to provide personal information, such as the recipient's first and last name, address, city, zip code, and IBAN number. After entering all the required details, return to the previous page, select the Make Transfer tab, and proceed. Choose the Bank of America account you're transferring from, the Wise account as the recipient, the transfer amount, and any other relevant details, then finalize the transfer. As long as you've added your Wise account as a recipient in Bank of America's online banking, you'll be able to complete the transfer. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.